Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I've got one that I'm pretty excited about. You know, lately on the channel we've covered a couple of vans. We had the white racing van just recently that has the trailer for it. Then we did the squawk van from Stranger Things, and I've always been kind of a sucker for vans. It's not something I've done a lot of, but I really do enjoy them. Well, this is kind of a hybrid, and I'm really looking forward to this one. The 55 Ford panel truck from Monogram. Now, it's come out in a couple of different iterations. This one actually is my favorite. 10 through adult. Well, if I ever make it to adulthood, I guess great. Tells you a little bit about it here. Called the Bad Creature. Really cool. The Demon's Den. I love it. This is copyright 1977. A good oldie. So let's take a look at it without further ado. Right here on top I've got glass, and it looks like I've got a couple of options for some side windows if I want. Yay! We'll go with the destructions are next. Got a place to put them. Okay, and shows kind of some different window arrangements there. Putting this Ford engine together, which looks, for a very easy, simple, rudimentary engine, it actually looks pretty decent. Here's your template for the windows, whichever window you want to use, or you don't have to. Putting the rear, that's the rear suspension, part of the interior together here. Your front suspension, disc brakes on it, woohoo. Radiator, grill, frame, very simple, not overly complicated, and I like that. Oh, good old CB radio, nice. And yeah, it shows how to cut the holes out for the windows. Shows where to put your decals. How to make an antenna for the CB. Putting your glass in. And some of the other little accoutrements for it. Putting the hood on and the side pipes. Yay for side pipes. Pretty neat. Yeah, I like these old Monogram kits because they are simple. They build up nice. They look good. They're in 1/24 scale. It's okay. Not my favorite, but still they're quite nice. So here's the decals, and I love these. Yeah, that demon, Bad Creature, Demon's Den. Yeah, I like that. Look at the body on this. It's beautiful. It's going to need a little cleanup along the edge here. It's awfully dusty. Gee, I wonder why. It's been in here forever. So just a little bit of cleanup on this line here, but not anything bad. No flash. I mean, very nice. One chrome tree with some engine parts, side pipes, wheels, bumper, big old disc brakes, your grill here, that beautiful grill on the 55. Oh, nice texture here for some carpet for your interior. Nice straight frame. Wow. Nice thick heavy duty straight frame. That's awesome. Wheels, or I should say tires, on this are the same ones that Monogram used for many different kits, and I'm okay with them. I like them. They're a Goodyear. Does it say Eagle? I can't tell. It shouldn't say Eagle, but Goodyear. Oh, Rally GT. There we go. So you've got these here that are the fronts, and they're a little bit smaller, and then these here that are the backs, which are a bit bigger. So, and I've always liked them. I've always liked those and how they look. Whenever I get them on these kits, I usually don't change it out and put something else on because they just look right. They look great. From the box. Okay, here we have the hood. Ooh, we have a tri-power manifold right here. Your wheel backs, your front K-frame, the engine, a huge radiator, your bucket seats, dashboard, steering wheel. That's it for the plastic. I mean, not a lot to it. That's why I love it. It's easy to build, plenty of stuff to paint and finish. Look at those turbine rims though. Aren't they cool looking? Oh, I can't wait. And then you do whatever you want with the interior, which I'm going to have some fun with this one. Don't know on the color yet. Don't know on the interior yet. I just know it's going to be fun. So I'm really looking forward to it. And isn't that why we're supposed to build models, is to have fun and enjoy. So thanks for joining us today, folks. We'll see you again soon on the Kit Hoarder Stash.